What level are
Ready?
you on? 3?
This is level 3 on the EMove cruiser scooter. I just picked it up from VoroMotors. You needed a special person to come down because security wasn't readily available at the table. So we had to wait for someone from VoroMotors to come down and open the door. And they finally came down. They were very nice, very professional. But I just hope that the controller continues to work. I am testing the controller for the first time since I've got the scooter back, and hopefully it stopped cutting off like it did previously 20 times in one ride. Let's see if it works. You saw it before, someone ride it, and it didn't stop for her. Let's see if it works. To be honest, it's been so long since I've had it, I almost forgot how to ride it. When the chicks around, you want to impress them. You're not gonna make believe like you forget about it. We're in Brooklyn. Oh, hey. Oh, you impressed, Mamacita? Hey, I'm like Fonzie over here. I snap the fingers and people start recording. How you doing, Mamacita? You impressed with me going on the scooter? How impressed are you? Got to let you, hey, whoa, Mamma Mia, forget about it. We're here in Brooklyn by the Navy Yard. Here behind me, you got the Volvo and the VoroMotors Company and the net facility in the 8th floor. Over there, you got the panorama of New York City. And you are here in the city now with a VoroMotors scooter. After 20 tries, we finally got a scooter that works. I even forgot how it's supposed to ride, how it's supposed to feel. It's been so long, VoroMotors. What took you so long? And my voice is leaving me. My voice is no longer in my body. It's been so long, I forgot how to ride this. Thank you, I guess.